We will start the next chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Today we will start the 5th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, first verse. In Sannyasa Yoga, the first verse.
Arjuna uvacha sannyasam karmanam Krishna punargyogam cha shamshasi yatshreyayeetayorekam tatme bruhi sunishchitam. Sannyasam karmanam Krishna punargyogam cha shamshasi yatshreyayeetayorekam tatme bruhi sunishchitam. Sannyasam karmanam Krishna punargyogam cha shamsasi yatshreyahyetayorekam tatme bruhi sunishchitam.
Arjuna uvacha sannyasam karmanam Krishna punayoganja samsashi yatshreyayeetayorekam tatme bruhi sunischitam. Translation. Arjuna said, you praise abstinence from action, and again you praise intense action. Of these two, tell me in a most assured manner as to which is preferable. He says, Arjuna is asking, Krishna, you praise abstinence from action, and again you praise intense action. Of these two, tell me in a most assured manner as to which is preferable. I wanted to tell you an important truth, the most powerful sacred secret from this verse. A disciple or a worker or a subordinate who is asking for the detailed instruction is not going to do the work. Understand? When he asks for the detailed instruction, he is not catching the spirit from where the order is coming. When he is not catching the spirit from where the order is coming, he is somehow going to find a word or a logic or argument to evade from the final instruction you are giving. For example, I will give you an example from my own life. I call the whole group of disciples and give instruction. Intense action is enlightenment. Come on, let us all start doing one by one, one by one, one by one. Every decision we make should be leading us to enlightenment. All this I give. Then a person tries to ask, give us exact instruction. I have always seen, when I give the exact instruction, their logic will first work to prove how it cannot be executed. How it is impossible to execute the instruction he gave. Understand one truth. Learn to catch the spirit of the instruction, which comes by the deep love with the source from which instruction is coming. Have a deep love to the source from which the instruction is coming. It is unfortunate Arjuna lost that love with Sri Krishna. That is the reason he is telling, give me the exact instruction, most assured manner as to which is preferable. Just last sutra, Bhagavan is saying, get up and wage the war. Go for the action. Yes, Bhagavan may not have even closed his mouth giving this instruction. He's saying, no, you tell me. It is like I tell you, I get up and go to the mission office and do the work. And you say, Swamiji, can you tell me exactly what should I do? That is what exactly Arjuna is doing. Just now in the last verse, Bhagavan said, wake up, wage the war, go for the intense action. Now, Arjuna is asking, tell me in most assured manner as to which is preferable. But Bhagavan, with his great patience, is going to answer Arjuna again to inspire. It's almost like a Vikramaditya's Vedala story. Vikramaditya solves the riddle, and that Vedala again jumps and goes to the tree. He brings him again. Again he solves the riddle, and the Vedala goes back to the tree. The Arjuna's Vedala has again gone back to the tree. Sri Krishna, the great Vikramaditya, is supposed now bring the Arjuna back again to teach.